Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In today's video, I'll show you how you can actually install the game tool application in the Oneplus Nord 2 device if you uninstall by mistakenly. Yes friends, this is a request which I got from a few of my subscribers. As you can see, just now a couple of minutes ago I did receive this message. Accidentally one of the user of the Oneplus Nord 2, he did delete the game tool application, as you can see friends. And in this video I'll try to explain you how you can actually install this application again in the Oneplus Nord 2. So it should not be much difficult task. It's very simple and very straightforward. So one problem with the Oneplus Nord 2 is that whenever you try to tap on this one, you can actually uninstall the games. As you can see, there are high chances that you might uninstall by mistakenly without even knowing that it's a really very important application. But when you compare with other OnePlus phones, this is a OnePlus 8T device, as you can see, same games application you cannot uninstall. There's no option to uninstall it itself, as you can see exactly, to prevent this kind of thing. It's really protective in the OnePlus 8T, but in the OnePlus Nord 2 it's not like that. Maybe because of the OS plus ColorOS got mixed, I think this got not restricted to uninstall this game. So right now, by mistakenly, if you uninstall these games, what should you do right now? You just need to download the again APK. Exactly, the right now by default the game APK will be version is of 1.0.1. as you can see friends, you just need to download this APK and you need to install in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So where you can find and how you can download, I'll try to explain you. You just need to join my Telegram group, which is a Spykar group YT. As you can see, try to join my Telegram group. Here you can actually find all the APKs which I'll try to post related to the smartphones, and in this case I'll try to post exactly the same APK of games. So once you download the APK, you just need to click on that one. So try to give the permissions for the file manager, so which you need to install, and try to click install. That's it. So in this way you'll be able to install the games application in the OnePlus Nord 2 device even though if you uninstall. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a pretty simple and pretty straightforward, so it should not be much kind of risk as well. So you can definitely don't worry at all and just need to join my Telegram group and download the APK. In case if you have any other issues, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video and find the solution from other users as well if possible. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow the playlist for the OnePlus Nord 2 device. If you're the user of the OnePlus Nord 2, you should know each and every small thing, what is happening with your device, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages, what are the games and applications is not optimized. Each and every data I'll try to upload on the OnePlus Nord 2. Make sure to follow me regularly friends, and see you in the next video. Until next video for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. If this works, give that a like and share my videos. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye. Don't forget to comment below if it is working for you all. I forgot to mention. Until then, stay tuned friends. Bye.